In this video, I am going to be sharing with you 15 golden rules that will make you a successful Forex trader. If you truly want to become successful as a Forex trader, then you need to know these 15 golden rules that will make you successful as a Forex trader. Number 1, don't risk more than 1% of your trading account. If you want to survive as a Forex trader, you shouldn't risk more than 1% of your trading account. You are expected to risk at least 1% and not more than 1%, so that it will take you 100 times before you can lose your capital. Number 2, don't risk more than 10% of your trading capital. That is to say, don't risk more than 10% of your trading capital. That is to say, if you have $100 in your trading account, don't risk more than $10 per day, right? So it is very important for you to be able to protect your capital very well. Number 3, always have a risk reward ratio of 1:2, 1:3 and above. Don't have a risk reward ratio anything less than 1:2. The essence of having a risk reward ratio of 1:2 and above is for you to be profitable in the long run, because the forex market is unpredictable and uncertain. So if you are trading based on 1:2 risk reward ratio and above, it doesn't matter if you have a poor profitable strategy. As long as your risk reward ratio is higher, you will always be profitable in the long run. Number 4, it is better to take a break from trading if you are not feeling emotionally good. If your emotion is not okay, if you are not feeling well, if your health is not okay, it is always advisable to stay away from trading, because it is going to jeopardize your trading plan. So if you are emotionally down, if you are going through stress, if you are going through depression, you have to stay away from trading, right? Because if you trade with that condition, you are going to blow your account. You are going to trade out of proportion. Number 5, always remember that trading is not a prediction game, but a probability game. You can't predict what will happen in the forex market. It's just about probability. It's about guessing. It's not about predicting, because you cannot say the trade will go up and it will go up. No, you are not God. So you should have that at the back of your mind, that forex trading is all about probability and not prediction. You can't predict. It's only God that will predict something and it will come to pass. So you can't. So the only thing you do is you use your edge, right, and try your luck. So it's based on probability. If it favors you, fine. If it doesn't favor you, fine. So always have the mindset that forex trading is a game of probability and not a game of prediction. Number 6, it is impossible to catch all the excellent trading opportunity in the forex market. It is absolutely impossible to catch all the excellent trading opportunity in the forex market. So what you have to do is to make use of the opportunity that you catch. Once you sight an opportunity, make use of it, because the forex market is always in motion, right? There is always an opportunity. It is absolutely impossible to catch all the opportunities in the forex market. So what you have to do is make use of the one you are able to catch, right? Make use of the one you are able to catch, and have it at the back of your mind that you cannot catch all the moves in the forex market. because you cannot be monitoring the market 247. At least you should be doing other things. So once you catch an opportunity, make sure you make use of it and have it at the back of your mind that you cannot catch all the excellent opportunity in the forex market. Number 7, don't judge success in forex trading by people's screenshot or people's lifestyle on social media. Always focus on your trading plan. Some traders make the mistakes of judging the success of trading based on what they see on social media. They see guys driving Lamborghini, driving Range Rover Sport, buying expensive houses, and they start exaggerating, thinking of how they will become successful overnight. Some of them do not know that most of these guys that are flaunting on social media are not traders. Most of them are just marketers. Most of them sell their courses. Most of them have academy that fetch the money. Most of them are making a whole lot of money from YouTube, and they are not trading. So you don't base success on just what you see on social media. Just focus on your trading plan. Everybody have a different way of becoming successful in the forex market. Some are successful through trading, some are successful through teaching forex trading on YouTube, while some are successful through selling of courses and so on and so forth. So don't always panic or don't always think anyhow whenever you see all these successful gurus on social media. Don't exaggerate. Just focus on your trading plan. That is the basic thing that will lead you to success. Number 8, you have to stick to one trading system in different market sector. You have to stick to one trading system in different market sector. Don't jump from one trading system to another, because sticking to one trading system will help you to be successful. It will help you to be an expert in that particular system. That is what I mean by specialization. So sticking to one trading strategy will help you to become successful in the long run instead of jumping from one strategy to another. And also, if you're a newbie, stick to one pair, because sticking to one pair will help you to understand how that particular pair moves. Instead of jumping from one pair to another, stick to one pair, stick to one strategy, and keep on learning about that strategy. Keep on practicing, keep on backtesting, and with time you will become successful. So do not be jack of all trade and master of none. Focus on one trading system, focus on one trading plan, and be consistent with it, and I guarantee you, you are going to be successful in the long run. Number 9, avoid trading when you see a significant drawdown in your trading account. Avoid trading when you have series of losses, because if you continue trading, you'll be trading based on emotion, and this will lead to revenge trading. So it is advisable not to trade when you are in huge drawdown. If you have lost so much, please, it is advisable to close your laptop, take a cold shower, and sleep so that your nerves will calm. Always take a break when you are losing and continue the next day, because if you are having a negative drawdown, if you are losing back to back and you are still trading, it's just a matter of time and you will blow off your account, because the more you are losing, the more fear is crippling you, and the more you'll be trading out of proportion. You will not be focusing on your trading plan again. You'll be trading based on emotion, and if care is not taken, you will blow up your account, because you will be trying to recover your losses, and in the process you keep on losing. So it is always advisable that you stop trading, avoid trading once you are in a huge negative drawdown. Once you have lost so much, stop trading, and continue the next day. This will help you psychologically. Number 10, when you think you know everything in the forex market, tomorrow you are going to lose and you will learn. So avoid ego. Ego is one thing that has crippled so many traders. They are so proud of themselves, especially if they have little streaks of winning. They will become so proud of themselves. Put pride aside and focus on your trading strategy. So if you are having too much pride, if you are too much proud of yourself, when you lose, you will humble. When you lose, you become humble. So ego should be avoided in trading. Trading is all about experience and learning. So you have to know that in trading you will always lose and you will always win. So that is the surest part of it. So don't think because you are in a streak of winning, that doesn't mean you will not lose. So do not be too excited when you are winning, right? Because when you start losing, the opposite will be your case, because the opposite of overexcitement, you know what it is. So just take trading as a normal thing. If you are winning, take it as a normal thing. If you are losing, take it as a normal thing. Number 11, if you lose money in the forex market, then you have made a mistake. So there is always a room for what? For improvement. If you lose money in the forex market, then you have made a mistake, either in your trading strategy or in your risk management. So whenever you lose money in the forex market, don't bite yourself, don't condemn yourself, don't feel sad. Know that you made a mistake and there is always room for improvement. So what you have to do is to go back to that chart where you lost and check how you took that trade, right? Then from there you know the mistake that you made and try to correct that mistake, so that in your next trade you will not repeat that same mistake. So whenever you lose money in the forex market, just know that you have made a mistake and learn from that mistake, improve, so that in the next trade you are going to be successful. So some traders have the mindset of whenever they lose, they become angry, they start punishing themselves. No, trading is a game of probability. No one is certain. No one knows what will happen. Anything can happen. So if you have that at the back of your mind, then you should know that losing money is part of the business. So whenever you lose money, just know that you made a mistake. Go back to your chart, backtest it and check where you made some mistake, correct it and improve in your next trade. Number 12, your aim is to make money in the forex market every single day and not losing it. So if you are in profit, it is wise to stop trading and continue the next day so as to secure that profit. You know that in forex trading, if you make profit and you are too greedy that you are not contented with that profit you make, know fully well that the market can take that profit away from you, and if care is not taken, you will even lose. So it is advisable that you secure your profit every single day. That is what makes you a profitable forex trader. So whenever you are in profit, close for that day and continue the next day, so that you can be able to secure the profit that you have already made. If you become too greedy and you want to cash all the money, you want to make all the money in the forex market, to be sincere with you, you might lose the profit that you have already made. And if you try to recover the profit back, you might lose your own money. And if you keep on trying, it will affect your psychology and you start revenge trading, and before you know it, you blow your account. So be contented with what you have. If you made 20 pips as your profit, be contented with it. If you made 40 pips as your profit, be contented with it. So do not be too greedy. Always secure your profit and continue the next day. Number 13, there is no reason to argue with anybody in the forex market. If you are making money in the forex market, you are right. So many people will tell you your strategy is the worst trading strategy. Some will tell you they have the best strategy. Some will try to condemn your strategy and upgrade their own. Don't believe those craps. Don't listen to those nonsense. Once you are making money in the forex market, your strategy is correct. So only focus on you yourself. Focus on you. Are you making money in the forex market? Are you profitable in the forex market? If you are, forget about what other people are saying. Some will say, hey, let's assume maybe your strategy is based on moving average crossover, and some people will be condemning it that moving average crossover is the worst trading strategy because during a ranging market you are going to receive so many whipsaw, you will lose. As long as you are always profitable with that strategy, you are okay with it. Do not believe whatever anybody say. Do not believe whatever anybody say. Just know that you are right. So there is no need to argue with anyone. If you are making money in the forex market, then that means you are right. So you have to only focus on yourself, trust in yourself, believe in yourself, and only focus in your trading strategy, and I promise you, you are going to be successful in the forex market. So forget about the noise, forget about whatever anyone have to say about your trading system. As long as that strategy or that trading system is generating profit for you every single day, as long as that trading system is making money for you every single day in the forex market, then you need to be happy because the system is working for you. So don't believe whatever anyone have to say. Just focus on your trading plan and your trading system. Number 14, learn to ride your profits and cut your losses. Honestly, this is the most difficult task that so many forex traders are facing, especially the newbie. Learn to ride your profits and cut your losses. Honestly, this is the most difficult task that so many forex traders are facing, especially the newbie. Some traders always cut their winning and allow their losses to ride. Honestly speaking, if you do that, you are depriving yourself of becoming successful in the forex market. Some traders are so scared that whenever they make 3, 5 or even 10 pips in profit, they will cut their trade. They will close their trade and close it with just 10 pips profit. But when they are in losses, their stop loss might be 20 pips, but because they don't want to accept the loss, they will be shifting their stop loss. Let's assume that stop loss is 20 pips and the price is heading to their stop loss. They will shift it to maybe 30 pips, and if price cross the 20 pips and still heading to their 30 pips, they will still change their stop loss. They will still shift their stop loss to maybe 40 pips, and if the market cross the 30 pips and start heading to their 40 pips, they will still shift their stop loss to 50 pips. And honestly speaking, if the market is in a trend, honestly speaking, this style is going to drain you. This style is going to wipe out your account. Some traders are fond of that. They are so scared to allow their winning to ride. Whenever they make small profit, they close their trade. Whenever they make small profit, they close their trade. But when they are losing, instead of closing their trade when they are losing, they will allow their losses to ride and then cut their winning. Honestly speaking, so many traders are guilty of this. So it is always advisable to allow your winning trades to ride and cut your losses. So that is why I always advise you to have at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio and above. You can have 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, meaning that you are risking 1% to make 2%, or you are risking 1% to make 3%. With that strategy, you are going to be profitable in the long run. So you have that as a trading plan, that you are risking $1 to make $2, or you are risking $1 to make $3, or you are risking $10 to make $20, or you are risking $10 to make $30. So your risk reward ratio is very important for you to become successful. If you want, once you know how to use this style very well, your risk reward ratio is very important. So if you have a risk reward ratio in plan, you will not be able to make this mistake of allowing your losses to rise and cutting your winning. So if you have a fixed risk reward ratio like 1:3, you know that you must have to wait until your take profit is triggered, just as you wait for your stop loss is triggered. So this will help you to become successful in the forex market. So stop cutting your winning trade and allow it to ride. Instead, cut your losing trade. Number 15, continue learning, because learning never stops. In forex trading, you have to keep learning. Education is one of the most important things you need as a forex trader. So in forex trading, education never ends. So continue learning. Make sure you are learning new things every day, most especially on psychology. So keep on learning. It is very important. Don't say you have everything. Don't say you know too much. Don't say you know everything. Keep learning, right? Because in every day we are prone to new ideas, right? Every day we have new ideas coming in. So it is always advisable that you keep learning more ideas, keep researching, learning new things every day that will help you in your journey as a forex trader. So know that education is very important in your forex trading career, and never stop learning, because a successful trader never stop learning. In fact, a successful trader is always a student. So keep learning and keep learning. Even me, I'm still learning, because learning never ends. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the 15 golden rules that will make you a successful forex trader. Make sure you practice them very well, and I guarantee you, you are going to be successful in the forex market. So that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you love this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educative content like this, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new content. I will see you again in my next update. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.